Lindsay. I work for Scripture Union Northern Ireland and I am the schools worker for East Belfast. I have the privilege of connecting in with approximately 45 schools in the local area, but there's one of me, and how do I do that well? A big part of my job is connecting with local churches and helping them to see what it looks like to support their local schools. So I want to invite you to our School Around the Corner evening, which is happening on Thursday the 15th of November. This evening is going to be workshop based. It will be facilitated by myself and others, and it'll be an opportunity for anyone who is passionate about praying for, supporting their local school. We want to ask you questions, we want to give you space to think, to chat, and to think about your particular context, what it is that your church can do to connect into and support your local school around the corner. So please join us. This is open to everyone within your local churches. Maybe you're involved in youth or children's ministries, maybe you are in church leadership, maybe you're a parent or a grandparent, or maybe you're a friend and you want to pray for the local children in your church and in your area. So please join us at Bloomfield Methodist Church on Thursday the 15th of November from 7:30 p.m. until 9. We hope to see you there.